guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you guys how I make a super delicious steak in ramen. To get started, here are the ingredients I will be using. I have some green onions, yellow onions, some ginger and garlic. I'll be using some ramen noodles. Of course, you need that for the recipe. I have some beef neck bones I'll be using for the broth. I have some ribeye steaks, baby bok choy, eggs, some Chinese cooking wine, Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and a little bit of ketchup. I'll also be using some Charmadon and 1 cinnamon stick. I have star anise and some fennel seeds. I'll be using some white pepper, all-purpose seasoning, some chicken bouillon, and a little bit of brown sugar. Let's jump right into it. So to get started, I did add about 4 cups of water to a pot. I added my beef neck bones and I'll boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. Next, I'll add all my spices to this little gadget. I think it's called a spice save or a sachet or something like that. I don't really know the correct name for it, but it's something I use to add my spices to so that the spices can be contained in one, spot and not be all over the pot when it's boiling. You can also use a spice bag, or you can just add your spices directly in the pot and strain it afterwards. Next, we'll season our steaks using some all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, and some garlic salt. I did went ahead and wash the steaks really well and pat them dry. First, we'll combine all of the seasonings. That will make it easier to distribute the seasonings onto the steaks. Then we will generously coat the steaks on both sides. Please be reminded that you can use any kind of seasonings you like for your steaks. It doesn't have to be the ones I'm using. And we will let this sit until our broth is ready. Next, we will soft boil our eggs for about 6 to 7 minutes. Do not start counting the minutes until the water starts to boil. Once the eggs are done boiling, place them in an ice bath to stop the cooking process. Then we'll peel and set them aside. So it's been about 15 minutes and you see that gunk and all that stuff. We don't want that in our broth. So what we'll do is go strain that off, wash our meat, and we'll add fresh water to the pot. Next, we will add our aromatics. We'll add our green onions, yellow onions, or garlic and ginger. Then we will add our seasonings. Please be reminded that you can use the bouillon from in your ramen packet. You can use that. I did use mine later on in the video, which I did not show, but I did add it in. And we will add our sauces here. We will add our soy sauce, oyster sauce, or Worcestershire sauce that will add a nice tang, our Chinese cooking wine, and our ketchup. Now, if you don't want to use ketchup, you can add tomato sauce. You can add some tomato sauce if you don't want to add the ketchup. And what we'll do is add the spices in here. And we will cover this and allow it to cook for about 1 hour on medium heat, or at least until your beef on the bone softens up a bit. So after about 1 hour and 10 minutes, guys, our broth is finally done. So what we'll do here is we will strain it and we'll place it back into the pot and sit it on the stove top, because we will be reheating this when we're ready to assemble our dish. Next, we'll go ahead and sear the steaks for about 3 to 4 minutes. It all depends on how you like your steak. I did add a little too much oil here, which I end up scooping some of it out. Now we'll remove them and carry on with the same process until we are all done. So one last step here and we will be boiling our ramen noodles. You know our steaks have to rest for about 10 minutes before we slice into it. So while that is resting, we'll go ahead and boil our noodles for about 3 to 4 minutes. And now for the good part, we will now begin to assemble our dish. First, we will add our noodles, and you want to make sure that your broth is super hot. So it should be heating right now on your stove top, because what the broth will do is it will steam the bok choy. We will add the bok choy here raw and the hot broth will steam it. So you want to make sure that your broth is super hot, and we'll place the bok choy right there. You could add as many or as little as you like. Now we'll go in with the broth, and again you can add as much or as little as you like. It is your dish, so do it to suit your own preference. Then we'll add our steak. And lastly, we'll go in with our eggs and we'll garnish with some green onions. And that's it, guys. That's how super simple and easy it is to make this dish, and it's absolutely delicious. Okay guys, so this is how I make a super delicious steak and ramen. It's the perfect comfort food for any season. I do hope you guys enjoy the recipe, and I hope you guys give it a try. And if you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget guys, hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in my description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!